Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you a pineapple glazed ham recipe. Here we have a 6.3 hardwood smoke pre-sliced pit ham, placed in a baking dish lined with aluminum foil. For the glaze, we're going to add 1 cup of pineapple juice, a half a cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cloves. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Place pineapple slices over the ham. Add about a cup of the glaze and cover the ham with aluminum foil. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After about an hour, uncover the ham. Bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, glazing it every 5 minutes for up to 15 minutes. This will give the ham a nice light glaze.